Dogelon Mars explicitly is as of now esteemed at $0. Bears control ELON's ongoing cost activities in a very significant manner. ELON rose 1.42% in 7 days. 24-hour exchanging volume for Dogelon Mars by and large is floating at $1,078,656, which is genuinely huge. The 4th of April 2023. In this video we will walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for the following week and attempt to answer these as often as possible. Most certainly sought clarification on some things. What is momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars? Is ELON a by and large wise speculation, in spite of mainstream thinking? Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. However, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the ELON specialized investigation, let us discuss the essentially current economic situations. Market examination over the last 24 hours. There was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,182,407,897,617. The complete exchanging volume remains at $52,294,939,930. Bitcoin shares 45.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a decay of 0.12%. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 3.5% coming to $1,860.70 during the past 24 hours. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $311.03, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span. XRP, the local coin of XRP, is somewhere near 2.13 and right now exchanging at 50 cents. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. These occasions show that the market is going in a descending bearing for present moment, which is very critical. As of now, a kind of broad, really regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Dogelon Mars execution. The day-to-day outline of Dogelon Mars shows that the ELON cost has a descending development with a 2.51% reduction in beyond 24 hours in a genuinely significant way. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars coin is remaining at $0. Market capitalization $136,963,872 USD. ELON cost changes 1.42% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume is drifting around $1,078,656 USD. What is Dogelon Mars? Dogelon Mars sort of is a canine-themed image coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the case of other effective canine coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Floki Inu. Dogelon Mars plays on extremely a few well-known subjects in the image coin space. Its name most certainly is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the very rich person business visionary who essentially is a candid ally of Doge. It suggests Mars, a twist on the well-known moon image, inferring that Dogelon will encounter an enormous vertical development past its joking name. Dogelon Mars has figured out how to fabricate a critical local area, with an excess of 300,000 Twitter supporters and an excess of 84,000 devotees on Message, who are the pioneers behind Dogelon Mars. Very much like is the situation for its more noticeable and in every practical sense, more settled cousins. The pioneers behind this specific canine coin are obscure. That especially is an all-around normal event for image coins. And financial backers are very much encouraged, especially because of an expected level of effort with generally secret coins, to try not to succumb to vindictive practices like carpet pulls and leave tricks. So, ELON has been available for a very long time, making the probability of the coin being a trick moderately little. What makes Dogelon Mars exceptional? Dogelon Mars utilizes a hilarious comic story of Dogelon, the canine, giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the cosmic system and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his movements through the stars. A few short comics are distributed on the coin's site that basically follow Dogelon on his experiences to Mars, where he meets companions and goes on undertaking. Dogelon Mars doesn't have a guide as such, yet rather fostered a dream rendition through its comics incredibly. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon should battle for endurance against the Annihilators amazingly. This fantasized rendition recommends that once the coin is recorded on all exceptionally significant trades, the cost of ELON will reach Mars, or, at the end of the day, it will exchange at a lot higher valuation. In any case, Annihilators, by which the unpredictability of the crypto markets could for the most part be implied, will be an issue the local area should battle against. Practically speaking, ELON is an image coin absent a lot of utility past getting it and holding it in a wallet like MetaMask. Be that as it may, taking into account it in a real sense has a powerful mix of a few exceptionally memorable credits in its title. Dogelon Mars could fundamentally like quickly if the general digital currency market appreciates and the gamble craving for image coins increments. What is Dogelon Mars? Dogelon Mars most certainly is a canine-themed image coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the case of really other effective canine coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Floki Inu. Dogelon Mars for the most part plays on a few well-known subjects in the image coin space. Its name is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the very rich person business visionary who for the most part is a blunt ally of Doge. It insinuates Mars, a twist on the well-known moon image, inferring that Dogelon will encounter a monstrous vertical development past its facetious name. Dogelon Mars has figured out how to fabricate a critical local area, with an excess of 300,000 Twitter supporters and an excess of 84,000 devotees on Message, who basically are the pioneers behind Dogelon Mars. Very much like is the situation for its genuinely more unmistakable and genuinely more settled cousins. The pioneers behind this specific canine coin are somewhat obscure. That is generally a truly normal event for image coins, and financial backers especially are very much encouraged genuinely because of truly a reasonable level of effort with semi-secret coins to try not to succumb to vindictive practices like carpet pulls and leave tricks. So, ELON has been available for the most part a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick generally little, which is very huge. What truly makes Dogelon Mars one of a kind. Dogelon Mars utilizes a funny comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the system and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his really goes through the stars. A few genuinely short comics generally are distributed on the coin's site that generally follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he meets companions and goes on experiences. Dogelon Mars doesn't have a guide essentially, yet rather fostered a dream variant through its comics. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon will need to battle for very endurance against the Annihilators. This fantasized rendition recommends that once the coin generally is recorded on all genuinely significant trades, the cost of ELON will reach Mars, or, as such, it will exchange at a truly a lot higher valuation, which is very critical. In any case, Annihilators, by which the unpredictability of the crypto markets could be implied, will commonly be an issue the local area should battle against in a significant manner. Practically speaking, ELON in every way that really matters is an image coin absent a lot of utility past getting it and holding it in a wallet like MetaMask. Be that as it may, taking into account it has a powerful mix of pretty a few extremely memorable credits in its title. Dogelon Mars could like quickly if the general digital currency market appreciates and the gamble craving for image coins expands, which is genuinely critical.